Hey guys, what's up? I'm Adam Saleh, and today I'm going to be doing Quran in public. I'm going to be going to random people and making them listen to Quran for the very first time without knowing that they have a camera on them. I'm going to ask them what do they think it is and how it makes them feel. So hopefully it turns out great, and yeah, thumbs up. See ya. Excuse me, sir. Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for about 30 seconds and then just tell me what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
I think it. Both of them?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Alright. Can you tell me what do you think it is? What do you think is it?
I'm not so sure what it is.
You don't know?
No.
Alright, how did it make you feel? Because I seen your eyes were closed.
Well, actually, I feel like it took me to another world.
It took you to another world?
Yeah, I feel like as I temporarily, the world disappeared. Like I'm so focused on myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like relieved.
Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to I know it's weird, but can you listen to something for 20 seconds and just tell me who do you think it is and what do you think it is and how does it make you feel?
That's The Weeknd, right?
Nah, it's not The Weeknd.
It's not?
Nah.
That's The Weeknd doing acapella, right?
Nah, that's not acapella. Something way different than The Weeknd or anything. When you listen to it, how did it make you feel?
It make me feel good. It sounds like The Weeknd.
I only have two, so you guys ready?
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر
You got Bob. You going on over here? That wavy, bro. Oh, they heard about this nigga.
You did?
Like, yeah.
It's something called Quran. Have you heard of Quran? It's like it's an Islamic book, and it's like a book that takes you to the right path. Let me know how do you feel, and what do you think it is? All right.
أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس.
All right. How did it make you feel?
It's very almost ethereal, like it's very light sounding kind of.
Yeah.
It evokes a sort of calmness.
Yeah. This is Quran, which is the Islamic book, which has never been changed, and the words in there is just to take you to the right path. So.
It's interesting that you said it was a religious text, because I'm generally anti-religion, but it does evoke calmness. I can see why you would want to join a religion that made you feel calmer.
Nice. Excuse me? Sorry. Can you guys listen to this real quick? And I just want you guys to tell me what do you guys think it is and how it makes you feel? Hold on.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin.
What do you think? What do you think about it?
This is Quran.
Yeah, it's
It's Muslim, so I just listen to this to feel calm sometimes.
Are you Muslim?
No.
How did it make you feel?
It made me feel great. It made me feel like a different person.
Was it like a better person, like good?
Better person, positive.
Excuse me? Can you do me a favor? Can you listen to this for 30 seconds and let me know what you think it is and how it makes you feel?
Yasin wal Qur'anil Hakim innaka laminal mursalin ala siratin mustaqim.
Can you tell me how did it make you feel? Huh?
It's the most beautiful thing I have heard all day.
You okay? Sure? Yeah. Sure?
I've just been homeless for so long.
Yeah. Yeah.
And words of such inspiration have not come by me.
Yeah. If you don't know, it's called the Quran, which is the book of Islam, which makes you go to the right path. And it's the book that's never been changed. You good?
Yeah.
You sure, man? Give me a hug, man.
خذ العفو وأمر بالعرف وأعرض عن الجاهلين.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it and spread the positive message. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out more of my daily vlogs or more of the behind the scenes, you can click right here I upload every single day. And if you guys want to subscribe and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe around here. Stay updated with my latest videos. Thank you.
Do you know where I can get this book, the Quran?